Are you trying to load Windows 11 on your Raspberry Pi 5? Well, you can, but here's the deal. Sure, Raspberry Pi 5 has some awesome OS options like Raspbian and Ubuntu, but if you're itching for the Windows 11 experience, you're in luck. You can load an early ARM-based version of Windows 11 on your Raspberry Pi 5. Just remember, it's still in pre-release, so there might be a few hiccups along the way. But hey, creative workarounds do exist, so don't let that stop you. Windows 11 ARM runs pretty smoothly on the Pi 5, thanks to its beefed up CPU performance. You can even run apps like Steam, VLC, and Spotify, but hold your horses. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some games might not work and there's no sound or Wi-Fi support out of the box, but fear not. You can just use a USB sound card for your audio. And for internet access, you can simply use the USB tethering that's included with your Android phone. Problem solved. And now, installing Windows 11 ARM isn't a walk in the park, because it involves downloading the OS, loading the UEFI drivers, and then of course loading Windows using the Raspberry Pi Imager. Plus, you need to be a part of Microsoft's Windows Insider program. But don't sweat it, because there are plenty of helpful tutorials online. If you need a starting point, I've provided one in the video description from XDA developers. But overall, a list of the things you do need include a USB drive with at least 8 gigs available for flashing Windows 11. You're also going to need a micro SD card to load the UEFI firmware on your Raspberry Pi 5. And with this, you'll be up and running in no time. One final note, don't expect the Raspberry Pi to perform the way your PC does on Windows 11. But if you're wanting to simply play around with the OS with okay responsiveness, then you should be all set. So if you're eager to try Windows 11 ARM on your Raspberry Pi 5, dive in and give it a shot today. Thanks for watching. And for more on Raspberry Pi, please consider subscribing to this channel.